What if I told you that one of the India's most iconic food brand was not created by CEOs, investors or businessmen, but by a small group of ordinary women in Mumbai? Women who had no degrees, no investors and no business training, just their hands, their laughter and their determination. You have seen their papad in every supermarket, round, crisp and uniform. But most people never ask how a tiny kitchen in a small apartment become a billion rupees empire. This is not just a story of food, it's a story of women's grit and the vision. In 1959, 7 women gathered in a small Mumbai apartment with just 80 rupees. They wanted to earn a living honestly without begging or waiting for help. All they had were their hands, flour and a simple rolling pin. And yet, from that tiny kitchen, they created a system that would one day employ thousands of women, sell papads across India and abroad, and become a symbol of women empowerment. Today, Lizzat employs 45,000 women across 82 plus production units, with revenue crossing 1600 crore rupees and exporting to 25 countries. But here's the twist. Their success was not instant. They faced skepticism, poverty and the social limitations. People told them, women like you should not work, papads won't sell, who will buy from you? But they did not give up. They work day and night, they roll the dough, sun-dried the papads, package them themselves. They knock on doors to sell them and slowly the community began to notice. By the 1970s, Lizzat Papad had become household names with the iconic Lizzat Bani commercials on Doordarshan. What started as a small, desperate attempt to earn a living had become a symbol of trust, quality and the empowerment. That was not luck, that was the vision, discipline and the unity. So in this documentary, we will go deep inside the making of Lizzat Papads, from the humble beginning in a small kitchen to the unique business model that empowered thousands and the timeless lessons that every person can learn today. This is not just a story of papads, this is the story of how ordinary women built an extraordinary empire with nothing but determination and trust. So let's get started.
चाय कॉफी के संग भाए करम खुर्रम मेहमानों को खुश कर जाए मजेदार लज्जतदार साथ स्वाद में लिज्जत लिज्जत पापड़ जब जी चाहे शौक से खाएं करम खुर्रम सेक के खाएं तल के खाएं मजेदार लज्जतदार साथ स्वाद में लिज्जत लिज्जत पापड़
In 1959, Mumbai was bustling. Trains clattered, market overflowed, and life moved fast. But for 7 women in a small apartment, life felt slow and constant. They were not looking for fame, they were not looking for rich. They just wanted to earn an honest living, support their families and prove that women could work outside the homes. They did not have factories, they did not have machines. All they had were rolling pins, flour, lids of vessels to press the papads and a lot of determination. Each day they woke up before sunrise, kneaded dough, roll it carefully and let each papad to dry. They sold some in local markets, some they sold door to door and some they kept aside for friends and neighbors. But here's the challenge. Society did not take them seriously. People whispered, why would women do this work? You won't earn enough, just stay at home. Yet these women had something stronger than money or machinery. They had vision and unity. They realized if we work together, support each other and stay disciplined, we can achieve more than anyone imagined. And that belief becomes the foundation of Lizzat Papad's unique model. Unlike businesses built on bosses and hierarchies, Lizzat was built on cooperation, equality and trust. Every woman contributed equally and every decision was made together. And slowly, people began to notice the quality of the papads. The papads were not just tasty, they were consistent, hygiene and durable. Papad spread from local markets to neighboring towns and the women realized something incredible. Their small kitchen experiment could grow into something much bigger than themselves. But growth is not easy. They faced limited resources, small apartment, lack of machines and skepticism from men and society. Yet they found a creative solution. They shared kitchens, they timed production efficiently, they taught new women to roll papads the same way. today. By the mid 1960s, they were not just 7 women anymore. Dozens joined the group, learning the craft, sharing profit and rolling their way to independence. And here's the most important part. They did not just make papads, they made a system that could grow forever. A system based on trust, equality and the discipline. From a tiny apartment in Mumbai to kitchens across the city, the first generation of Lijjat women proved the one simple truth. With unity, hard work and belief in each other, every ordinary woman can create something extraordinary. And that belief would soon change the face of Indian entrepreneurship forever. Every great empire begins with a system. And for Lijjat Papads, that system was not in boardrooms or offices. It was in small kitchens, drying yards and the hands of women. The Lijjat system had 4 core pillars that made it extraordinary. Pillar number 1, equality and participation. Every woman mattered, every woman had a voice. Decisions were not made by one person, they were collective. If a new recipe was suggested, the group voted. If a new member joined, she shared responsibilities equally. And the profit, women earned based on contribution through a cooperative labor payment system, ensuring dignity and fairness. This was not charity, it was empowerment through fairness. Because when women know their work is valued equally, they give their 100% efforts every single day. Pillar number 2, reinvest and growth. Every rupee earned was not spent on luxuries, it was reinvested to buy better ingredients, improve production or open a new center. Slowly, what started as 7 women in one kitchen become hundreds working in multiple centers. Just discipline, planning and consistent hard work. Pillar number 3, training and knowledge sharing. New members were not left alone. They were mentored by experienced workers. The knowledge was shared freely because the success of one was the success of all. Mistakes were corrected with patience. Skills were passed down like family. This created a workforce that was skilled, loyal and united. Pillar number 4, consistency above all. They did not just make tasty papads, they made papads that were identical every single time. Customers trusted the brand name because they know what to expect. Consistency became their signature, and in the business world, trust is worth more than gold. This was the magic of the Lijjat system. Equality, reinvest, training and consistency. Combined, these creating a self-sustaining business machine. And here's the mind-blowing part. The women did not just make papads, they created an organization where no one watched anyone, yet everyone worked like a CEO. That's how 7 women in Mumbai turned into tens of thousands across India, producing millions of papads every day. And slowly people began to notice. Stores across India wanted the Lijjat name on their shelf. Restaurants wanted bulk orders. Even the government and big corporations respected the cooperative model. They had done something that few imagined. They turned a simple home-cooked skill into a nationwide empire while staying true to their value and culture. And that's the beauty of Lijjat Papad. It's not just a business, it's a system that empowered women, transformed communities, and created wealth from simplicity. Every great story has a chapter of doubts and resistance. And for Lijjat Papads, this was the toughest chapter yet. Back then, society had strict ideas about women's roles. Women were expected to stay at home, cook for family, and never earn money. The idea of women running a business was almost unthinkable. Neighbors whispered, family doubted, and men laughed. Why would women even try this? Papads are just foods. But the founders of Lijjat did not let the voice of doubts stop them. They know one simple truth. If they did not start, nothing would change. Number 1, courage in actions. They began small, selling papads in local markets, carrying basket on their heads, knocking on doors. Every day they face rejections, but each no became motivation to try again. Slowly, people started noticing their hard work, consistency and quality. And that was the beginning of earning respect through results. Step 2, unity against challenges. It was not just individual courage that kept Lijjat alive, it was collective strength. When one woman felt tired or doubted herself, others lift her spirit. When a market rejected them, they found another. The founders know, alone we are small, but together we are unstoppable. And that belief became their shield against society's skepticism. Step 3. Turning limitation into opportunity. They had no machinery, no investors, and no formal education in business. But instead of seeing this as a limitation, they turned it into a strength. Every papad made by hand was guaranteed quality, every rupee earned was reinvested wisely, and every decision was made collectively with care. What seemed like a weakness become the secret of their strength. They realized that the limitations are just opportunity in disguise. Step 4. Recognition through excellence. Word of their quality, discipline and honesty spread quickly. People began trusting the Lijjat brand. Even traditional skeptics started buying their papads. Soon stores, hotels and corporate clients wanted to stock them. The movement had broken barriers, proving society wrong. Not with words, but with results, consistency and integrity. The lesson here is simple. Doubt is inevitable, but courage is a choice. If you wait for permission, you will wait forever. The founders of Lijjat did not wait. They acted, they persisted, and they built a system that would survive generations. And that's how a small group of ordinary women in Mumbai went from being doubted and dismissed to being respected and admired nationwide. After overcoming doubts and social resistance, the women of Lijjat faced a new challenge: growth. Their kitchen was small, their hands were many, but the demand was growing faster than ever. Because they know that if they wanted to reach every corner of India, they could not do it alone. So they invented something revolutionary: a business model run entirely by women for women. Step number 1. A network of sister units. Instead of opening one big factory, Lijjat created small units across neighborhoods. Each unit operated independently but followed by the same rules: quality, hygiene and the teamwork. Women taught other women, family trained families. It became a network that could grow infinitely without losing control. Because the motto was very simple: if one succeeds, we all succeed. Step number 2. Trust and quality as currency. They could have cut corners to fast grow, but they did not. Every papad was hand rolled, consistent and checked. They realized that trust is the worth more than speed. People bought Lijjat papad because they know quality was guaranteed and every purchase support a woman. Step number 3. Expand beyond the city. Soon their papads were not just in local markets, they reached whole cities, state and eventually across India. Women in smaller towns began starting their own Lijjat units, following the same principle. The growth was exponential, not because of marketing budgets or advertisement, but because of consistency, quality and word of mouth. Step number 4. Empowerment through ownership. Every woman who joined Lijjat was both worker and owner. Every rupee she earned went back into the units, into her family or into expanding the network. They were not just employees, they were stakeholders in a growing empire. This system created loyalty, discipline and the motivation that no traditional company could match. Step number 5. Becoming a household name. By the late 1970s and early 1980s, the name Lijjat Papad was everywhere. People did not just buy the product, they bought the story behind it. A product made by women with love, dedication and the skill. They had created India's first truly women-run FMCG empire long before corporate India even imagined it. It's remarkable. What started in a small kitchen became a nationwide empire, owned and operated entirely by women who had no formal business training. Lijjat Papad was not just about hard work, it was about innovation born from simplicity. Even without formal training, the women discovered way to scale, improve quality and reach more customers. They realized that every small improvement counted. So they take these 5 steps. Step number 1. Standardizing the process. At first, every unit rolled papad in slightly different ways. Some were too thick, some broke easily. Customer complained. So instead of ignoring feedback, they created strict quality standards. Every unit followed the same method: consistent size, thickness and crispness. This consistency became their secret weapon and building trust with customers across India. Step number 2. Packaging that tell a story. They did not need flashy advertising. Instead, they focused on the packaging. Simple, neat and informative. It told customers, This product is made by women with care and with love. People did not just buy a papad, they bought the mission behind it. Step number 3. Expanding distribution nationwide. The women did not wait for distributors, they built their own network that reaches cities, towns and villages. Each unit became a hub, supplying nearby areas and creating a self-sustaining chain of supply. Before long, no store in India could claim they did not stock Lijjat Papad. Step number 4. Diversification. They did not stop at just one product. They experimented with flavors, ingredients and packaging size, appealing to different tastes and customers. This diversification reduced the risk and increased the reach, allowing them to become a household brand instead of just a small local business. Step number 5. Empowering women across India. Every innovation was not just about profit, it was about impact. By improving the product and scaling the system, they empowered thousands of women, giving them financial independence, respect and confidence. Think about this. A group of women with no investors and no business training created a product that became a national brand. They innovated, expanded and inspired generations. And that's the magic of Lijjat Papad: hard work, continuous improvement and a community-driven mindset. By the 1980s, something incredible was happening. Lijjat Papad was not just a snack anymore, it had become a symbol of Indian resilience, innovation and community spirit. These small hand-rolled papads represented more than foods, it represented women's power and India's strength. National recognition. People celebrated not just the papad but the story behind it. How ordinary women from the humble homes could build $1 million business without losing their values. It inspired millions of Indians to believe in self-reliance and entrepreneurship. A brand that stands for India. Lijjat Papad became more than a product. It became a symbol of Indian culture and tradition, appearing in every household across cities and villages. People did not just eat it, they trusted, knowing it stood for honesty, quality and empowerment. Empowerment becomes the brand. Lijjat Papad's greatest strength was not taste, it was the message it carried. That women, no matter their background, can create something extraordinary. This became the heartbeat of India's women-led entrepreneurship movement. Every papad sold was a celebration of independence, hard work and dignity. Lijjat Papad became an international symbol. Soon Lijjat Papad traveled beyond India's borders. Indians abroad embraced it as a taste of home. It was not food, it was a connection to culture, family and tradition. People everywhere started recognizing the Lijjat logo as a symbol of quality and Indian pride. It created a legacy beyond papads. Lijjat Papad became more than a business, it became a legacy of empowerment, resilience and innovation. Women who started in a small room, rolling papad by hand, taught India a lesson that courage, community and consistency can create something timeless. And that is the true power of Lijjat Papad. It's not just a food, it's history, culture and empowerment. Lijjat Papad is not just a food brand, it's a masterclass in perseverance, community and the vision. Every papad tells a story of women who dare to dream bigger than their circumstances. And the lessons, they are not just for business, they are for life itself. Lesson number 1. Start with what you have. The founders had no capital, no investors and no degrees. All they had were their hands, their courage and their determination. They started small. One papad at a time, one home and one community. And slowly, small effort become a national movement. Lesson number 2. Build through collaboration. Every success at Lijjat comes from working together. No competition within, no envy. They shared knowledge, resources and support. Because they know, when one woman succeeds, the whole community rise. That's why Lijjat grew bigger than any individual dream. Lesson number 3. Empowerment is the true profit. Profit was not just money. It was confidence, independence and dignity. Women who once had no voice, no ownership, now run a multi-million rupees enterprise. And in doing so, they inspire generations to believe in themselves. Lesson number 4. Consistency creates legacy. For over 60 years, the process has not changed much. Consistency, quality and care remain the pillar of Lijjat's success. People trusted the brand because every packet carried the same promise. Legacy is not built overnight. It's built every day with dedication and discipline. Lesson number 5. Your culture is your strength. Lizzat Babur thrived because it embraced its roots. It did not copy others. It did not compromise identity. It celebrated India, its women and its traditions. And that became its greatest power. They taught us that ordinary people can achieve extraordinary things. Not through shortcuts, not through luck, but through discipline, collaboration and the mindset. Today, Lizzat Babur continues to empower women, inspire communities and feed millions. And the lessons are clear. Start with what you have, work together, lift each other, focus on empowerment over just money, be consistent, be disciplined and honor your roots. They did not just make papas, they wrote a legacy. A legacy of courage, community and changes. And that is the untold story of Lizzat Babur.